I really thought about doing one of those videos where like you don't talk and you just do work. And you know, I'm sure you guys have all seen it, like some dude in like third world country like building a hot tub in his backyard out of clay and like palm tree leaves. But I decided to ruin your guys' day with my voice, so here we are. What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Alex here from Hoppos with another video for you, and we're gonna be back working on the Toyota frame, Georgia's Toyota frame. And right away we ran into issue number one, which we already knew. That's why we didn't weld the bridge in, because we were just guessing at this point. The rear end is slightly taller than stock, which we knew, and well, we got to raise the bridge up. So here goes to undoing a whole bunch of work we already did. Well guys, welcome back to the channel. I know you guys have just been watching this video and you guys have been thinking, man, where's the content gone? I haven't filmed in like 9 days, and well, my baby was down, and now obviously machinery goes down and stuff happens, but that's something that we don't ever want. And well, we were down for roughly about 9 days on this thing, and we have tried everything. The guys over at Stout were sending us stuff, sending us, you know, parts that we needed, and we were just having multiple issues. And yeah, it sucked because we were just losing so much production, losing so much time because we were down. But the good news is we were able to get somebody out here. Luckily, someone was able to drop what they were doing to come out and get everything taken care of. And it was beyond my knowledge. I could do this kind of stuff, all the basic stuff, but I am not a computer engineer. I'm not a guy to take apart a hard drive in a computer, take apart all that kind of stuff. And while we were having internal issues on the actual computer itself, and for some of you guys that, you know, are familiar with that, that might be easy to you, but for us, I don't do that. I don't mess with that kind of stuff. I'll build you a car, but I will not touch a computer. That kind of stuff just intimidates me. It scares me more because I just don't have the knowledge on how to fix it or how to do it, and I also just don't have the time to do it. So, to be 100% honest, I was really stressing. I have not gotten good sleep. This is a main part of our business, along with all the other machines, but this is a big part of what I do every single day. And well, I was already somewhat backed up, and when this went down, I got it backed up even more. So let's just say it's gonna be some very late nights. I got 30 sheets on standby right here behind this machine that need to be cut up. And it's a little stressful because, again, a lot of you guys don't know, but I'm leaving for a few days. I'm actually taking a vacation, and I'm stressing before my vacation. While the guys are going to be out at Phoenix show, I'm actually going to be hopefully sipping on pina coladas in Hawaii, if all goes well. But everything's going smooth now. We're up and running again. Just thank you to everyone that helped and try to lend a helping hand and try to put some knowledge in. Again, some of this stuff is just above what I know, and I'm just glad we're up and running. That's literally all it is. I've been stressing, tired, and yeah, we got a lot going on behind the scenes that I wish I could tell you guys, but I can't expose everything yet because there's a lot of stuff that we signed, contracts and stuff like that, NDAs. And when that stuff comes to light, you guys will know. You guys can go back to this video or be like, think about it and be like, that is why he is talking about what he is talking about. Oh, I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm nervous, I'm tired, all the emotions bundled up into one. But let me get cutting. I got tons of stuff to do. I got 2 coffees sitting on standby right now because we got things to do. My, have I missed you. You're cutting so gracefully and beautiful. As this machine's cutting and going, let me just kind of update you guys on what's going on. The guys loaded up another sheet. Boom. We have Craig's car in all the way from Philadelphia. And we have another frame that Manuel's been freaking killing it on. This guy's a beast. I jumped in lending a helping hand a few days ago. He's still on it right now. We have the 58 frame that is on standby. We got a lot of other things we got to do. We were waiting on the machine because we got to cut a lot of stuff. We got George's frame here, which I've actually worked like 2 more days on, but I haven't filmed again just because I was so tired and stressed and so much going on. But now we're gonna be able to jump back on that. Gustavo, Jose, and Uriel, they've been in the machine shop and they've been busting away, killing it. Yeah, I got a setup over here. Got this setup over here that is pretty much all done, dialed in. This one's already sold. We're gonna do a few final touches. We're gonna be removing this here and doing some changes on the front side, but this is already sold. Actually, if you guys are interested in this though, it is gonna be up for sale. If you go to CNC Anaheim's page, they're gonna be offering this as a fully done item. We also have a whole bunch of wishbones waiting to be welded. We also have a whole bunch of cylinders that just got welded up this morning, a whole bunch more. Yeah, I can tell you guys, it has been crazy. On this, we are doing a major renovation and cleanup. I believe we did this setup, I'm gonna say 8-9 years ago, probably 8 years ago. I could go back through pictures and find the exact date when this was done, but since then it has kind of jumped a whole bunch of other hands, and well, it needs love, so we're applying a lot of love to this one. I gotta do pretty much a full teardown and a full reinstall, full reseal, change up a lot of stuff that people have changed up to get it back working and functional again. And to top it all off, you guys saw the last video, we have all the Curry stuff here, which I'm very happy and proud to say that we're going to be partnering up with Curry, and we're going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff with them as well, which is already in the works, but we were on standstill because she decided not to cooperate. Other than that, the guys are working on getting some pallets out. We've got some pallets heading out right here, and then the guys are working on getting the setup all done as well.
Say something. What?
Told you guys, you're still stupid.
Just come up like.
You know how it goes. Just because you didn't show up in like 3 videos, guys are like, is Vic not working for you no more? Is he not there? I'm like, no, he's still stuck on. He's right here. Cut it off. I cut him off because he was about to say something stupid.
They're from the Bears.
There we go. You feel better? You got that off your chest? Oh, guys, honestly, I'm smiling right now, ear to ear, just because this machine's up and running, and it feels so good. But I just got a lot of stuff to catch up on. These guys are getting a lot of the setups done. They're also getting stuff prepared for the Phoenix show, and yeah, I gotta get over there. Manuel's calling me. We got some stuff to do on that frame, do a little flip over, a little cleanup, and we got some more modifications we gotta do as well. Before we go, look how beautiful she looks cutting. Oh, like, I don't know if you guys, I can't even express it, I don't think, in words, and how good it feels to have this one back up and running. Like, this is my baby. My baby. Feels good. I was sad. I was very sad, but now just time to put her to work and teach her. Listen here. You don't do that to me no more. Just like that, we have sheet number 4. Sheet number 5 is cutting in there. Let's see if we can peek in there. Four, 5, and before we can even get any further, AJ's on it, getting a whole bunch of stuff bent up. I don't know what he's doing. Frame is looking good. Woo! We're back up and running. Woo! Hola. Big thank you to Ryan, to Zach, to Armando for getting us dialed in and taken care of. Again, it feels so good to get this up and running, but we got so much stuff to do. I gotta restock these shelves behind me because they are looking very low. These guys are pulling off of it. They got pallets going out. We got 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 12 frame kits I gotta cut. 12 frame kits. That's 12 times 3 sheets. Ooh. Actually, we don't even got enough material. Lincoln Town Car, 3-sided axles being cut up, and fill-ins for donuts, and 65 to 70 Impala washers for airbags as well. No, not enough coffee yet.
Well, take your match first.
Getting restocked as well. These are all of our USAs. And gotta do some whammies and some axle perches up next. We're down to about 50 sets here, so we gotta get that back up. I think we got more material coming for the saddles as well, and then we got Impala brackets that we gotta get dialed in. Gotta get some more done up because the shelf's looking a little low right now. Guys got wheel calls that they're packing up and getting ready. Looks like these ones are already ready to pick up. And then we got the machine shop. This video's kind of like all over the place, but that's kind of like what it is right now. We got tons of stuff going on to where it's like, it seems like this is all filmed in like weird different jumps and I don't know, but either way, we're working. We're up and running, baby. We're up and running. We got sheet number 6, Lincoln Town Car. Got sheet number 7 cutting. AJ's still bending.
What's up, YouTube?
Oh, we're back up. We're back up. There we go. Working on the 3s. He hasn't even touched the 2s yet. We haven't even cut the 4s and the 6s yet. But we are making good progress for being back up and running just a few hours ago. Trying to get caught up. Here's the Lincoln Town Car arches, or not arches, rear end pieces. A whole bunch of little miscellaneous fill-ins.